This is a fit for a 2019 and beyond Toyota RAV4 with factory installed flush side rails with factory installed crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Force XT Large rooftop cargo box. This is a 16 cubic foot cargo box. We found this to be a perfect fit. There's no interference with the fully opened rear hatch or rear antenna. This box measures in at 75 inches in length. It's 33 inches wide and 18 inches high. It is a dual-sided opening box. Locks are included. It can be opened from both the passenger and driver side. This box can accommodate skis measuring up to 175 centimeters in length. This is part number 6357B in the matte black aeroskin finish. This box weighs in at 41 pounds and has a maximum carrying capacity of up to 165 pounds. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.